mama and the little one. Oh, there she's like, okay, I got my little baby.
There's a fish. It's a decent one too.
One after another. Come on. Stay with me.
I don't want to lose this fish.
Oh yeah.
Pretty fish.
Let's get him in the water.
Let's go get another one. Welcome back to Front Range Fishing. My name's Ben.
I'm Ismail.
We are brook trout fishing today. 2 weights, doing some fly fishing.
Makes it a little more fun, 2 weight.
It's a perfect fly rod for brook trout.
And
so
it's beautiful out here.
Amazing.
So
gonna be a good day.
Let's go have fun.
Brook trout, gonna find some brook trout. Some crazy mushrooms out here. Bright red one. I've seen like 5 different types already.
Alright, last time we were here we caught a bunch of skinny brookies.
Oh, had to take her on the second cast.
Got this little fly on there. It's about like one hit it, but a lot of them just been looking at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that out now. I'll go with something maybe a little more flashier. See how that works. You can see them moving around down along them rocks right over there. So change it up, see what's up.
Definitely need to change my dropper because there's a bunch of them looking at it, but nothing's biting it. There's a fish. It's a decent one too. Decent brookie. Oh man, yeah. Oh, it's a great fish. I'm gonna put it on the reel. Great fish. Take it easy. Oh, no, he's out. Okay, and there he goes. Beautiful fish. I'll try to get a better look at one, but he dove into the slimy grass. He took the hopper. Chubby, black one. Got a little WD-40 on, just a few inches below. It's not very deep, as you can tell. So, working 2 weight. And that was a perfect little fish for a 2 weight.
There we go. Another nice little brookie. Some little guys. Let me see if I can get my hands wet without scaring these fish away. Some more. Yeah. Have a little one here. I think we doubled up. Did we double up?
Mine got off down here. It was just a little one.
Yeah.
Wrapped himself around the line. Another little one. Try to keep him out of the grass. Pretty little fish. I'm gonna go ahead and take the dropper off because everything's just smashing this chubby.
Whoa. Kind of hard to see with that little whitewater over there, but they sure are hitting it. Ah. There it is, just like that. There's a little hippie stomper. That's that crazy. There we go, another little one.
Got another one. Pretty again, not as big. Gorgeous though. Come on in here. Oh, such pretty fish. Just unbelievable color. Unhinged your jaw like a python.
Here's a nice one. Oh, he's beautiful. Look at this fish. This is a little Mac Daddy. Look at that. It's got a nice big healthy top here. It's been eating well. Come on, slow down. A hippie stomper. Yeah, it's a beautiful fish. It's healthy, nothing like when we were here last time. You want to do an underwater release?
Another little one. Double up. Awesome little fish.
Oh. So these little fish, there's some grass right there, and then the bushes are sitting right under those and hitting from under there. There he is. Look This one I miss when I get another one. This is a little bitty guy. This is a super tiny little guy. But if you look at him, he's going after the hippie stomper, which is a good size fly. That's why they're nice and healthy.
Just a little one again. But I don't mind. Oh, you really hit that hard. Good for you. Proud of you.
There it is. This fish is so nice and healthy. It's beautiful.
Another decent fish. Not as pretty as the other ones. You're probably a girl, huh?
So I walked down about 10 feet. That's a great move. I moved down about 10 feet and caught another one.
Another nice fish here. Nice jaw, nice teeth. He's pretty little. We'll let him get out of here.
The spot by the tree, I feel like I can get something right in there. Let's see what I can do here. Right away. Look at that. Little guy, get out of the rock. I'm gonna scare the rest off. Got one in my hand, put the thing in the water just so that way I can put him back, and another one jumped on. Look at here. One after another. With the little 2-weight, this ain't bad. You got the 2-weight so these little fish become a little more fun. Mama. There's a little one. Mama and the little one. Oh, there she's like, okay, I got my little baby here.
Will be cool, Mama. That is awesome.
These are the things we gotta watch out for when we're out there fishing. All of a sudden you turn around a brush, you don't want to run into this one. This one will not be happy. They're cool. We'll leave them alone. They're not stressed.
Well, that was a ton of fun.
This is awesome.
Love those little fish. Not going to tell you where we were this time. We were here about this time last year. If you want to figure it out, you can do it that way.
Dang.
I don't know. We got some more stuff coming at you. We'll try to be putting out more videos. We've been busy, but we'll be back out. I'm Ben.
I'm Ismail.
We'll catch you next time.
Have fun fishing.